Welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to do SQL map in Termux. Before that, I am going to explain you what is SQL map. SQL map is an open source pen testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws and also takeover of database server, and it supports to enumeration users, password hash, tables and database. So most of the hackers use SQL map to find the passwords of the different websites. So before doing SQL mapping, we need to install some of the packages. So now I'm typing pkg install python. So which I have already installed the package. And next, getting the GitHub link. Here is the GitHub SQL, and I'm just going to copy the link. Now coming back to my Termux, I'm going to paste it here, then press enter. Okay, now it gets downloaded. Here you can see the SQL map folder. Next, typing cd SQL map, then ls. Okay, now here you can see the SQL map.py file, and next I'm going to type python to SQL map.py. Now it's asking me to enter some of the options like D to find the directory, U to add a URL, L login files, M bulk files, R request files, C config file, X site mp file. So now I'm going to add a website link, and now typing python to SQL map.py, U for entering the URL. I'm going to enter the URL http://www.biblehistory.com/subcat.py id equal to 1. Next, dbs to find the database. Next, I'm going to press enter, and now the site mapping starts. Okay, let me check what I'm going to get. I'm going to wait for a while. Okay, now here it's asking me one question. Do you want to include all tests for MySQL? Press yes. Okay, now I'm going to press Y, then enter, then again mapping starts. Okay, now here I'm getting some of the HTTP requests and also some of the contents tables available in the database. So the SQL map has been stopped. Okay, now I'm scrolling down. Here I can see some of the table contents related to the website. So that's how we are going to find the database of the websites by doing SQL mapping. So by using SQL mapping, you can find the vulnerabilities present in the websites. So that's all in this video. Thank you.